Hello there, welcome to UK Lockpickers. If you are watching this video right now, there's a good chance you're watching this through our product description page. This is a 7-pin tubular lockpick, 7.8mm, and this is the Oxford Quartz disc lock motorcycle wheel lock, and this is the same one, the Oxford Junior. This is the Oxford Junior. As you can see, turn the key, it works. Put in a different key that's not for this lock, it's for the other one. Try and turn it, it does not work. This is a 7-pin tubular pick, and how you'd operate this pick is via this here. It's turn thread. As you tighten it, it becomes a lot tighter. As you loosen it, you can feel the thread loosen. So you've got to find the tension between the how much to tighten the thread and how much to loosen it. Pretty similar to the tension tool in a normal lock, but this time it's via the thread. So I'll adjust the tension to how much I think it is, roughly around here. Get the lock, and the lock is open. And then what we do then, we can then tighten this collar as tight as it'll go. Come back to this, and we've now got a working key for this lock. Again, to reset the tool and to use it again, what you do, you would release the thread, press this button, it's the quick release that's going to send all these pins here back to the starting position. So press that button, push it together, the pins are now all flush with this round faceplate. You then tighten the collar again, get the next lock, show you it working. Get some keys that fit the lock, but they're not the correct keys, so it's not going to turn. In fact, they don't even fit in. This is a little bit more difficult, so just give it a go. Reset the pins. Right, it hasn't worked first go. So what we would then do again is release the collar, press the restart button, put all the feeler pins back to the starting position. I'm now going to re-tighten it a little bit more, and we'll try again. So again, we'll loosen the collar, reset the pins, re-tighten the collar. This time I'm going to do it a little bit tighter. And again, lock open, shut, open. and that's the 7-pin tubular lockpick. Thanks for watching, see you next time.